Heavy rains, strong winds, and flash flooding inundated parts of New Orleans Saturday night, hours after many popular Mardi Gras float parades rolled through the city. The city is under a flash flood warning until 9:15 p.m., according to the National Weather Service. Floodwater overtook streets in some parts of the central business district, leaving cars stranded and causing traffic chaos near O'Keefe and Girod streets, which are a couple of blocks from the Superdome. Some of the streets in the area were impassable at 8 p.m. Saturday, including Lafayette Street between O'Keefe Avenue and South Rampart. The flooding had caused some cars to stall out, including one on a side street near Tulane Hospital. Turbine 4 was taken offline Saturday night due to a mechanical issue, the New Orleans Sewerage and Water Board said, which could have contributed to localized street flooding in some areas. The S&WB said in a tweet that Turbine 5 frequency charges and EMDs are being utiltized. You can check Streetwise for more reports of flooding in the New Orleans metro. Saturday parades were moved up ahead of the bad weather, with Spartan Society rolling quickly earlier in the afternoon to beat the storms.
Go!